Hey, what's up everyone? I just got some coffee in the mail here, so I'm gonna open it up and show you what I got. This is from Methodical Coffee out in South Carolina. Very cool box. They got their own tape even. Let me see if I can cut this open. Here we go. Let's see here. So here's what it came in. Nice little box. Isn't their bag art pretty awesome? That's kind of what drew me to them. They're located in Greenville, South Carolina. This is specifically their Costa Rica blend. As you can see, it was roasted on June 17th. Today is June 19th, so it got here pretty quick. So I'll do a review on this here coming up and let you guys know how it goes. Cheers.